Hello there, my friends. Susan here, Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have stamping sketch number 83 today. We're going to craft with a bright and beautiful DSP. I'm pairing it with Bubble Bath cardstock, and we've got this sample of Berry Burst DSP from our packets. Now, this is a piece of scrap from a previous project. Now, the first piece of Bubble Bath, I'm going to die cut with the artistic dies to get this fun cutout flower. Then we're going to stamp the sentiment from the new Simply Zinnia stamp set to make our sentiment tag, and these are going to be the simple parts and pieces we're going to use for our project today. And remember, all the details are on the mini tutorial subscription that you get in your mailboxes on Wednesdays. So we start by folding our base in half and giving it a crease with the bone folder. Then I decided to do some dry embossing with the new Zinnia 3D embossing folder on the front of that card. Next, we're going to layer up the DSP panel onto our mounting panel. Then I adhered that with dimensionals to the front of our card. Now we're going to use liquid adhesive and add on the sentiment and the flowers. I put the sentiment along the bottom, as you can see, and then the flowers got adhesive in various parts behind it and then placed over the DSP at the top. Then I used some of the glossy dots in actually Melon Mambo to center, add some bling to the center of that flower, and then that's my finished card. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think of today's project, give it a try on your own, and remember you can subscribe here to YouTube so you don't miss out on anything else, and you can always reach me at my website www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. Do some fun stamping today!